Today we're on Kandara Street and I've got something different to show you today. We're not looking at houses, we're going to show you plots of land. Do you want to own your own little piece of Cyprus? You can see already the roads are in, the pavements are in, the drop curbs are in, the electricity's in, there's water, everything you need. The plots of land start from 51,000 plus VAT. Now remember that in Cyprus VAT is at 19%. The plots start at 570 square metres. Now they are graded as H4, which means you can build on 40% of the land. So 40% of 570, that's one big house. So it's not just a few rocks and a little bit of weeds. This is your own plot of land here in Cyprus. Now I have 3 available, so please, if you're interested, give me a call on the numbers below or leave us a message and I'll bring you out to see these little plots and maybe your own Cyprus rock. See you soon.